Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my July 2021 IPSY Glam Bag Plus unbagging. I am so excited about this. This is the $25 a month IPSY Glam Bag, and I really love this subscription because you get to choose 3 out of your 5 full-size products. But I have the worst memory. I can't remember any of the products that I chose. Once I see them, I'll be like, oh yeah, that's what I chose. But off the top of my head, I have no clue. So I'm gonna be surprised going into this. But so if you're not familiar with IPSY, it's a monthly beauty subscription service, and it's customized for each person based off of their product feedback and the survey that they fill out. And I think that the IPSY Plus has been matching me up to such great products, probably the best matching out of any of the other beauty subscriptions that I do, which by the way, I do the $12 IPSY Glam Bag and both of the BoxyCharm boxes. And so I think at this point I am just waiting on my July 2021 BoxyCharm Premium box to come in, which of course I will be doing my unboxing on as soon as I get it. But my other 2 are up on my channel. I've already done my unbaggings and unboxings, and I'll be doing full dedicated review videos on all of the makeup products that I get in this bag and all of the subscriptions. I've already started doing those for the month, but make sure you're subscribed to my channel so that you don't miss out on any of those videos. And always let me know in the comments down below if there's any products that I get that you are extra interested in seeing reviews on first, because then I can prioritize those ones. But okay, let's get into this. Cute bag this month. It says stay golden, and I often redeem points products, and this seems heavy, like there's probably more than 5 products in here. Yes, so I think I have some points redemption products in here as well, so it's gonna be a little bit hard for me at first to figure out which ones are points, which ones were part of my glam bag. And this is just no product information, just a little pamphlet about bronzing 101. I could probably use help with that, so I'll have to read through that. But so since I don't get product information in the Plus, I use the IPSY app to get that information because I like to know my total retail value. So I spent $25 on this bag, but I like to know what products are actually worth. So let's start pulling out some products. Ooh! I see the pink color and the fact that I think this is a palette, and I'm already very excited about it. All right, so this is from the brand Half Caked, which is a brand that I've become familiar with only through IPSY, and it's the 9 pigment palette, Your Eyes Only. Oh, it's like a little floppy disk. Let's see what these shades look like. I love it. I love these shades. Oh my gosh. See, I love a lot of shimmer, but I love like neutral browns. Those are what I wear the most often. But then there's a pop of pink and there's a pink sparkle, my 2 other favorite colors to get in an eyeshadow palette. So I'm like, what, did they design this for me personally? Oh my goodness, I am so excited about this. Okay, let's check out if this actually came in my IPSY Glam Bag or if I redeemed points for it. All right, so the first product I pulled out here is actually a product that I redeemed points for. So if you are not familiar with IPSY points, you actually earn points by reviewing all of the products you get each month and reviewing your glam bags. So you can build up a lot of points that way. You also get points if someone signs up through your referral link. And I am not sponsored by IPSY. I don't get IPSY PR or anything like that, but I do have my referral link in the description down below. Anyone that has an IPSY subscription gets a referral link. So if you are interested in signing up for IPSY, feel free to click my link down below, and it helps me earn some points that I can redeem for products like this. So that's such an awesome product that I basically got for free because of the IPSY points. Next up, ooh, I think, is this another palette? This is from the brand Cella, which makes beautiful and expensive palettes. Divine Purpose Eyeshadow Palette. Ooh, limited edition. Cute packaging on this. Ooh. Very pretty. I love that I'm still getting the neutral shades here, but then some beautiful pops of color. Oh, this is very pretty as well. I love trying out eyeshadow palettes, so I am just so happy right now. The first two products I pull out are beautiful eyeshadow palettes. So the Cella Limited Edition Divine Purpose Eyeshadow Palette is a product that I got in my glam bag and it retails for $35. So the first product that I pulled out from my glam bag is already over the purchasing price of my glam bag. Next we have, from Tarte, one of my favorite brands. This is the Tarte C Jelly Glaze Anytime Lip Mask. You know, I recently used up a Tarte lip mask that I love. So I am so excited to now have another one, and I got this in the shade Toasted Coconut. Ooh, I wonder if it smells like that. It does! It smells so good and tropical. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try that out. So this one is also from my glam bag, and the Tarte C Jelly Glaze Anytime Lip Mask in Toasted Coconut retails for $16. So I love lip masks, especially just like hydrating lip products in general, because I have such dry lips that I am always trying to find ways to keep them from not being chapped. Oh my gosh, I just pulled out another Tarte product, and this is a lip product going along exactly with what I was just talking about. It's almost like I manifested pulling this out based off of what I was saying. This is the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip in the shade Orchid. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited about the brands that I've pulled out so far. How cool is this? Maybe it's like a tinted lip balm. Unique packaging. Wow. Oh my gosh. 2 eyeshadow palettes and 2 lip products. I can't even say they're my favorites, because like all makeup products that I try out are pretty much my favorite types of makeup products to try. But this is an amazing start. So the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip is actually a product that I redeemed points for. That is such an amazing product to pretty much get for free, like I was saying. Next up, this is the Araceli Azteca Eyes Con Agave Duo, but in the shade Sun and Cacao. Pretty. I actually got this exact same thing, but in 2 different shades in my IPSY Glam bag this month. And I already posted a review video on them. I can leave that in the description down below. I got it in the shade Chocolate and Bronze, and I love them. I was so impressed with that little duo, and I was saying how I wanted to try out more Araceli eyeshadows, and little did I know I had redeemed points for this here. So, oh my gosh, this is awesome. Fenty. I think this might be the first Fenty product I've ever gotten in IPSY. I've gotten a few Fenty products in BoxyCharm, but I didn't realize that Fenty was coming to IPSY now, so that is awesome to see. I love Fenty Beauty products, and this here is the Stunna Lip Paint Longwear Fluid Lip Color in the shade Unlocked. Oh my gosh, I love a long wearing lip product. This is gorgeous, from the packaging to the color. Oh my gosh, it kind of looks like it would be a nail polish. I left part of the box on it. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I love hot pink, and I love a hot pink lip, and I am dying to try this out. Oh my gosh, this might have to be one of the first products I try out from this box, because wow, that looks so beautiful. Just each product I pull out, I am just so excited about. This is one of my favorite unboxings I have ever done. So the Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint in Unlocked retails for $25. And I feel like that's exactly a product. Like $25 is expensive, and it's something that I maybe would have spent the money on, but the fact that I got it in my $25 IPSY Glam bag just makes it so exciting that I got it for such an amazing deal. Next, from the brand Il Makiage, Black Card Lift, Curl, and Lengthen Mascara. You know, I had a Il Makiage mascara that I love, but it was in the silver tube, so I have not tried out this one yet, but I love trying out mascaras, and I love Il Makiage mascaras, so yay, this will be very fun to try out. And I know that Il Makiage is not cheap either, so let's see. The retail value of the Il Makiage Black Card Mascara is $25. Yep, that's an expensive mascara in my opinion. Wow, I still have a lot more products in here. So this here, this one I do remember redeeming points for, and I was very excited about it. This is from the brand Juice Beauty, which is a really nice skincare brand. And this is the SPF 30 oil-free moisturizer. And I was just really excited to see an SPF 30 moisturizer that I could redeem points for, because I use a sunscreen as part of my skincare every day. So I love to be stocked up in sunscreen because it is something that I go through very quickly. So I knew that I would get good use out of this, and I love this brand, so I'm really excited to try this out. And then I also got from the brand Studio Makeup. I've been trying out a lot of Studio Makeup products lately. I feel like I've been getting a lot of them in my beauty subscription services, and they sent me some PR. So I am very into this brand right now. This is the High Define Brow Tint. Ooh, I love trying out brow products, and a brow gel, a tinted brow gel especially, is a product that I wear every single day. So I got this in the shade Light, and I can't wait to try this one out. I know I've said this many times before, but I love trying out this type of product. Like, filling in my brows is one of my favorite hobbies. So the Studio Makeup High Define Brow Tint in Light retails for $18. And then I still have one more product in here. Let's see what it is. This is a points product because I already have my 5 bag products that I pulled out. Ooh, this is from the brand Sugar. Contour de Force Mini Blush in the shade Peach Peak. Cool packaging here. Ooh, not the shade that I was expecting from the name Peach Peak, but very pretty. It's more like a mauve looking pink, but yay, very excited to try this out. I don't think I'm familiar with this brand. Maybe the logo looks kind of familiar, but still, that makes me extra excited to try out this product because it's from a brand that I'm not very familiar with. But wow, I got 5 full-size products in my IPSY Glam Bag Plus, like I do every month, but I also got 5 products that I redeemed points for. So this was kind of like a double unbagging, but wow, every single product, literally every single product, I am so excited about. Whereas the other bags and unboxings that I got this month, I definitely was not super excited about every single product. So the fact that I'm super excited about all 10 products is amazing. I think this can go on record as being one of my favorite unbaggings ever. So let me do a quick recap and I will let you know my total retail value. So the 5 products that came in my actual IPSY Glam Bag Plus are the Il Makiage Black Card Mascara, the Tarte Jelly Glaze Lip Mask, the Cella Divine Purpose Eyeshadow Palette, the Studio Makeup High Define Brow Tint, and the Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint. And that brings me to a total retail value of $119, which I really think is amazing value that I spent $25 on. And these are all products that I would have wanted to purchase on my own, but I got them for $25, whereas I would have had to pay $119. I will say with BoxyCharm, I do get higher retail value, But these products that I got in IPSY this month are products that I'm probably gonna get more use out of, that I'm more excited about. So even though it's not the highest retail value, I am still so happy with this month's bag. And then the 5 products that I redeemed points for are the Juice Beauty SPF 30 Oil-Free Moisturizer, the Sugar Contour de Force Mini Blush, the Araceli Eyeshadow Duo in Sun and Cacao, the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip, and the Half-Caked 9 Pigment Palette Your Eyes Only. Wow. So I'd love to know in the comments down below if you've tried out any of these products, what your thoughts are on them, and if you have any tips for me for when I go to try them out. And definitely let me know what you got in your July 2021 IPSY Glam Bag Plus. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.